I hope you're doing well.
Good.
I have just a small query. Ma'am, in your opinion, what is child centric education and how does it prepare them for future challenges?
Okay. So you have asked a very most, I can say, very deserving question actually. Uh, Child-centric education is it's not anything new actually. Wherever we talk about or whenever we speak about school, it naturally that word is associated with that. A school cannot be just buildings and walls and all. A school is filled with students. So whenever we talk about schools, students come in top actually of our mind. So that itself shows that the Indian psychology has it that every school should be child centric. But now this question has become very inevitable. People talk about in large, manner because child centric attitude is getting reduced actually. Now you have asked me what do you mean by child centric education. Child centric means the word itself shows that the school and the entire thing should be child focused. In fact, the school is for the children and children's entire demands, their opinions should be considered, especially their opinions and their suggestions should be valued. For example, when you get into the class as a teacher, the teacher herself or himself should understand I am in a platform where the child is important. So it's not that the teacher gets into the class to deliver whatever he or she knows about or the content delivery. I don't mean that. When you get into the class, a teacher has to understand what the child actually wants from me. What is there for me? If I am teaching one content, what is it for the students, for the children? See, if that thought comes in the minds of the teachers, you find it is child centric.
Yes.
A teacher who focuses on child centric education always values the opinions of the students. Their feedbacks we have to take voluntarily, actually voluntarily or voluntarily, you need to take the feedback of the children. Their opinions matter. Okay, the child should be respected of whatever questions the child makes. The child should feel that I can ask any question to my teacher because I have a say in the system. So the child matters. Now, for example, if a child is absent for a day, it's teacher's responsibility to make the child understand you were not there yesterday. Okay, where were you? So the child begins to feel that I was wanted in the school.
Yes.
My teacher felt my absence.
Yes.
So that is called as child centric. Here nothing matters, The textbooks, the curriculum, the entire thing when we prepare, the child should be in your mind. What is the child going to do? How the child is going to react in the class? Okay, so that. Another thing is the child is called by his or her name instead of calling that boy, this boy. See, we make an earnest effort always that every child should be known by his own name. So the child feels that is I am one in the school. And when a child gets complete respect and his opinions are valued in the school, that child obviously the child is going to be a fruitful child. He will develop. You asked me a question how it is going to prepare the child for facing the future challenges. Of course, the child becomes very confident when his opinions are heard. He feels he's very confident. He becomes, and his confidence will make him stand in the society. Okay, when he goes even in the crowded place, wherever out of the school, he knows his value because somebody has valued his potential, somebody has valued his identity, and that to who the teachers, the most important part of his life, his student's life is the teacher. When the teacher recognizes the child, feels very good. Okay, so that is called as child centric. In fact, whenever any rules, any regulations, any new resolutions or advancements of the school, when we plan to prepare, we have to keep the child in the center. What is it for my student? Okay, so if that every school, every teacher feels for it, definitely that education is called as child centric education, and such a child is going to be a very, very cherished individual. Okay, so this is, I hope I have answered.
Definitely, ma'am. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you. You're welcome.